So now we're going to be creating a used car landing page that has a tab across your used cars. So the tab can be created for any offer that you would like your used cars to be on, whether it's Mother's Day, Black Friday, whatever the case may be. So right now, this is just an example of a page that has been created, which I'm going to show you now. So to create a page similar to this, you'll need to go into your UStock. So you would go into your NetDirector platform and go to NetDirector Stock, where all your UStock would most likely be sitting. Once you get to your NetDirector Stock, on your left-hand side, you'll see where it says Inventory. You click on it. You'll see where it says Offer Management. You click on Offer Management. Once you get to offer management, you'll see where it says create offer on your right hand side. You click on create offer. Once you get here, you will name that specific offer. For example, we'll just say Black Friday. If you want, you can select the specific franchise if it's a group site and location where you would like that specific offer to sit on. You don't necessarily have to add a description or terms and conditions if you don't want to. That's not necessarily a must. Once you're done doing that, you just say save. Once you've saved the offer, you'll see that it then automatically creates an assigned vehicle tab for you. So you can just click on that tab and then you can assign the specific cars that you want that offer to have. So if you want, you can just use a registration number or the stock number. And you would obviously enter the registration number or the stock number of that specific vehicle as a keyword and then filter it to find that specific vehicle. So right now, let's say you have all your vehicles, you would go to that specific vehicle and you'll see where it says assign. You'll just say assign and then it will automatically assign that specific vehicle to the offer that you created. So you can click as many vehicles as you want as long as you just say assign, assign. Then you will see that it will automatically give you the name of your offer so that you know that that's the offer that you want that specific vehicle to have. Once you're happy and you've selected all your vehicles, you then go out and you go back and you'll see that you've got your Black Friday. Now that you've done this, you need to go back into your V10. You'll go back into your V10. Once you get to here on your V10, you'll see that there's a tab called Marketing. You click on Marketing and you'll see that it gives you an option where it says Landing Pages. You click on Landing Pages. Now that you've clicked on Landing Pages, you know that you're creating a landing page for a used car. You'll click on the used car. Once you get here, you'll see that you now can create a new offer. So you'll click on Add New Landing Page. Once you've done that, you can name that specific landing page. For example, you can say Black Friday deals or whatever that title you want. So we'll just say Black Friday deals, deal, and then you automatically you'll click on your URL and it will appear. So once you're done doing that, you can create a start date if you wanted to. Make sure that you save the page. Once you're done saving the page, you then will go to criteria. You click on the criteria. Once you get to criteria, you now need to add a new row for that landing page so that your cars that you've clicked on your used stock display on this page. So what you would do is you'll see there's a field that says filter. You will then scroll down to look for offer text. You just scroll down. You'll see here it says offer text. You click on it. If you want it to be a model, you would click the model. But I would advise that if you have named your offer, rather filter it to offer text. Once you've done that, you just say equal, then you go to values. When you get to here, it's important that you type out the offer the way that you typed it out in your use stuff. For example, we named it Black Friday. You will have to type it in the exact same way that you did. So if you said Black Friday in caps, you need to type it in caps. If it was in small letters, you'll type it in small letters. So we'll have to type it as exactly the same way as we did in the use stock when we did our offer. Right. Once you do that, you'll click on it, then you'll say add. Automatically, your vehicle count should appear here. If you chose 3 cars, it should be 3 cars. If it's 4 cars, it should be 4 cars. But you also need to remember that it takes about 5 minutes for the vehicles to reflect on that specific landing page. Once you've done that, you'll say save. When you're done doing that, you can go to your content area. The same way that you would do with Office, you can display your content area accordingly. For example, you can add a text saying Black Friday, highlighted and formatted header 1 or header 2. You can center it. You can left align it or right align it, whatever position you would like that specific text to be. So this specific text here, as per example, would sit here. So you can add as much content as you want on that page. Just need to go back, as much content as you want on that specific page. I would suggest that with used cars not to bombard your customer with so much information. So just keep it very short and simple and to the point. Once you're done doing that, you just say save. And once again, once you see an error message, you know that you need to delete text here. So you just delete it and then you save it and your page will be saved.